In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Canva link to Kit. The goal here is simple. You will take the HTML code you exported from Canva and turn it into a usable email template inside Kit. This is helpful when you design an email in Canva, but you still need it to send correctly through your email platform. Start by logging into Kit and looking at the main navigation. From there, go to Send, then choose Email Templates. This is the area where you manage the designs you can reuse in future broadcasts or sequences. Once you are on the Email Templates page, create a new template by selecting New Email Template. Take a moment to confirm you are creating a template, not a one-time email, since templates make it much easier to reuse the design later. Next, choose the option for Custom HTML. This is important because Canva exports email designs as HTML, and Custom HTML is what allows you to paste that code directly into Kit without rebuilding the layout. Now switch over to the HTML you exported from Canva. Copy the full block of code, then return to Kit and paste it into the custom HTML editor. After you paste, pause and let the editor load the content. Depending on the amount of code, it can take a moment for the preview to catch up. At this point, you will usually notice that images do not appear correctly right away. That is because exported Canva HTML often contains image placeholders or links that are not set up for Kit. To fix that, replace each image placeholder in the code with Kit image URLs. In other words, every place where the template expects an image source, you will swap in a direct image link that comes from Kit, so Kit can properly host and serve those images inside your emails. Work through the template carefully, one image at a time, and make sure each replacement matches the correct spot in the design. This keeps your header images, banners, and any other graphics in the right order. Once your images are updated, your Canva design should display properly as a Kit email template. And that is all there is to it.